Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows Security Service cannot be started error. To start, enter regedit in the search box. Click on the editor, click on Yes to open. After that, go to the path you see on the screen. Here, select the key on the screen and then double-click on the start value. It will confirm that the set value is 2. Click OK. You can close this window. After this, open Services from search box. After that, select and double-click on the Security Center service. If you can edit it, you must validate that it is automatic and started. Click OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.